Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Sorkar Jelna Konrad Kongkel Sangma habaya keren matkilat patai kubor mentaka janmit ke khat ar tadi gubernai kelal lingkot arajar arpulai hadin ke jingilang Paidbah jong ke seng NPP ya ki kertong ki banyak kun nagani election uloong baga jingjit yu Menteri Rangba hadin kamdei banda long than naka jat benreu namar yakani la aila dhaki MLA bakin jit yano ki mon ban penlong Menteri Rangba jong ke Jelna shushu hagani ke sngi haba patai khendiat sapang ke kot kabaka seng kala pelai Paidbah menta kesngi kabaya day bat ki jingjob bat ki jingkular ki baka seng kala depan penurlong nakaliang jong sangma uloong bahapo kani ka kot ki Paidbah kin la ban yoi ya ki baka seng kala kular hausnam arajar khatpra ban Pyndep ki bakintop nado kabawanra ka roy kapar ka jingpen ba yo put usam ka jingpen ya so ya ki surok bat ki wei de ki mat ha ka baka Sorkar kala de ban lelut kat kum bala kular ha ki sansnem bala dem bat halor kini la yo ru ya shibun ki jingjam ula ongru badang don ki bahab ban le bat ban Pyndep Henry de Bishar mentapat kalong shisha ka ka bala ban ong bakani ka Sorkar kala treibha habakali pat halor ka jing pempat la ka seng man penbenai ki kertong jong ke Mairang bat ka South Shillong constituency nakaliang jong Konrad ula ong bakum makalong menta ka seng kala pai benya ya ki breu Henry kampat hun kumta ya ka kam ampat la ban Pyndep.
See, the problem in our politics in our state, or I should say the characteristic of the way we have, is that there is anti-incumbents in two levels, at the individual candidate level or the MLA level, and at the overall party level of the government. We strongly feel that a lot of work has been done from the government side, from the party side, as the head and lead of the government, leading partner of the government. And hence we see that there's a lot of positivity. So I don't see any kind of extreme anti-incumbency that is there in the government's work. Of course, expectations are always there, and we cannot fulfill all expectations. But we have done far better than what I think a lot of people would have expected us to do, especially keeping in mind all the challenges that we have. So I don't expect and I don't see any major issue with anti-incumbency. The MLAs have been very clear, in this election, whatever the results now come out, the MLAs will decide. So it's a democratic process. So there's nothing to say that it has to be from a certain tribe, it has to be from a certain caste, a certain religion. It's a pure democratic process. So whatever the democracy process moves forward, and democratically whoever the MLAs elect will do. Yeah, it's a document we call it Promises Delivered. And if you go through the document in detail, you'll get all the reports from it. That there are always issues of, the issues that we had mentioned and the promises that we had made in 2018, whether it is about the border issue, whether it is about improving the overall infrastructure and the education system and investing in the education system, whether it's about road connectivity, whether it's about water connectivity, whether it's about overall health areas. In every area where we have promised and we have put certain deliverables in the manifesto or the vision document in 2018, you will see that we have really worked towards achieving those goals in the last 5 years, and many of those goals have been achieved, and the objective has been delivered. A lot more has to be done, of course. It's a process. We cannot say 100% is done, but you will see in almost every area, huge strides forward have been made in almost all the areas. There is no specific reason for it. We had been working towards identifying candidates, and we went ahead in the areas where we felt that we have a strong candidate and fighting chance. We don't want to put up a candidate for the sake of it, and that's all it is. It just so happened that we do not find candidates, and though we did find some people, but we weren't satisfied. And hence, as a party, we decided that we let the Mairang and South Shillong in both areas decide because of the fact that we were not satisfied with the kind of candidates. So we can go ahead. No, there's no understanding as such. Sometimes, in fact, if you look at the other way around, the more the candidates contest, the better it is for the sitting MLA. So anti-incumbency factors are there. So sometimes in some constituencies, it is the other way around. That more candidates contest, and it's good for you. So it doesn't really work that way. You can always make your own judgments, and you can always reach your own conclusions. But the fact of the matter is what I think.